So here we made a quick stop off. We're on our way down to Ramona, California. On vacation down here. And we discovered the Poway Midland Railroad was not too far off the freeway. We got here about half an hour after their last train for the day, so won't get to ride it today. Here's a quick look around the grounds. This is the old Poway Park. They have a couple of standard gauge cars here. Looks like a boxcar for a stage, caboose on display. And this is their narrow gauge facility. Okay, just to kind of give you a look around here. So we have, I guess, some of the historic buildings and such over here. Templar's Hall, windmill over there. The roundhouse facilities is right through the trees. And then this is just your standard public park. It's got some trees, got some picnic benches, a few little barbecue pits here and there, and but a couple little railroad crossings. And right over here, just a little simple crossbuck and very light rail. I think that's about it's either 3 foot or 30-inch gauge, I think. And it just goes around to the loop there and loops right back around to the depot. So very small, compact, but very maintainable, especially if you're running with volunteers. And to be honest, it just sits in here rather nicely. It is very well done.